What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing this hair from Yolissa hair, and I want to show you guys firstly what's in this satin bag. So let's unbox. So the first thing is obviously the hair. I was super surprised at like how big it is and how many other free things I got. So first I got 2 free wig caps, and then I got all these headbands. You guys, I'm obsessed. Like, there's so many headbands that I got, and yeah, this is kind of the trend with headband wigs. They give you quite a few just so you can switch it up. It's not the same all the time, but the actual wig does come with a black band, so you're good if you don't want to switch it up or you want something neutral. So yeah, I got a lot of options, and this is such a cute hairstyle just for on the go, and I know it's very popular. So yeah, if you guys are interested in one, then do look at the link in my description box. But this is the actual headband wig, and it is 18 inches long. It's a very tight, coarse jerry curl, and if you haven't seen the inside of a headband wig, this is how it looks. So this is the black band that I was talking about, and it has like a velcro strip at the bottom just so you can adjust it and you can make it as tight as possible and it won't slip off. There are also these clips. As you can see, the headband wig has 0 lace. Girl, this is why I'm saying it's such a convenient on the go whip it on type of wig, because it is literally, there's literally no lace. But the curl pattern is a little too tight for me, so what I went ahead and did was break the curls with a wide tooth comb. And yeah, that's literally all you really need to do. If you want to, if it becomes too big for you, you can definitely just put water on it again and it will like curl back up. But yeah, I love the way that I kind of broke the curls and made them look nice and natural. If you break them long enough and if you comb it for long enough, then this would look like a full-on afro. It is a kinky, coily type of curl, and it's beautiful. So literally all I did to complete this look was just whip the headband wig on my head. Literally, there's nothing else that I did. It is so simple, and all you do is kind of like fix it and like make it fit your face shape and everything. But yeah, I absolutely love the way it turned out. So yes, you guys, if you are interested in this headband wig, then I would highly recommend that you go into my description box and you shop this hair. It is stunning. I can't believe how pretty this hair is, and I love this headband, and I'm actually very surprised because I haven't seen this type of texture on me. The furthest I normally go is like a water wave, but this is stunning, you guys. So yeah, if you enjoyed it, let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to shop this hair, like I said, everything and all the details will be down below. So yeah guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.